the deal, YouTube? We back again with another video, and today I'm gonna be showing y'all something very special, something I know that the community needs, something I know y'all been slacking in, and some of y'all probably got this problem. So do you have a problem with dandruff? Y'all got a problem with, you know, your hair just being dry? I shouldn't even have that problem. If you got waves, you shouldn't even have dandruff, because you know that just shows like, you know, you lacking in a few areas. You might take care of your hair, but you know, some people's hair is a little thicker, so it's harder for products and stuff like that to get down to the scalp. That's why it's good to do hot oil treatment. So that today we're gonna do a hot oil treatment to get rid of dandruff and just make your scalp get really just greased. That's how you get down to the scalp. And I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do today. So first I'm gonna start off by unragging, and I'm gonna show you my waves. I don't have dandruff, but I'm gonna show y'all what I did to get rid of it. Alright y'all, so it's up to you on what you want to use for your hot oil treatment. Right now I got the olive oil right here, and I also got the argan oil. So as y'all know, recently, if y'all been watching my videos, I've been using this argan oil. So that's what we're going to use instead of the olive oil. It's really up to you on which one you want to use. It really don't matter, because whichever one you feel like works for your head. I feel like the olive oil used to work for my head, but this argan oil I've been testing out, and I've been liking the results of it. So we're going to do our hot oil treatment with this argan oil. Then we're going to take a little bit, and we're going to go heat it up. Alright, so now that you poured it in a cup, what you want to do is pour the oil in the cup. Figure out which one you're going to use depending on what oil you got. Have it in the cup, go warm it up, throw it on like 30 seconds. See how hot it is, throw it on 30 more seconds. Once it gets to a little bit warm, you don't want it like steaming, you just want it warm enough to go on your hair. Then you want to get your mirror, make sure you have your brush, and get you a plastic bag. So first things first, we're just going to pour this into my hands, and then we're going to put it in. Now mind you, it is going to be hot. That's why it's called a hot oil treatment. Make sure y'all get it all over, man. Have you a towel so you can just wipe your hands off real quick, because the oil gonna be all over your hands. Just wipe that off real quick. And then I know y'all wondering, like, you know, that's still not getting down to your scalp. So what we gonna do? You can either comb it in or brush it in, whatever you feel best is at. But for me, I'm gonna brush it in. Alright, so y'all gotta do this quick because you know the oil's hot. Right, so make sure you get a quick session in and use your plastic bag to lay the hair back down. Now you want to grab your plastic bag at this point when you feel like your hair is completely laid back in formation. Open that bad boy up. Put it on your head. Tie it in the back. You know, make sure all the air bubble, everything is out of there. You tie it like that, and just to make sure it's extra compressed, we're gonna take that, twist that in the back, tie it down, and you're gonna take your do-rag, and we're gonna just compress it even more. Plastic bag down under and then pull your do-rag down so everything can be tight. This is exactly how it should look once you got the do-rag on. So right now, basically a plastic bag is basically concealing it all in, and it's making it, it's treating the hair right now because it's closed off in a hot area. The oil is hot, and then we closing it off with a plastic bag and sealing it, and then with the do-rag, so now it's compressing it all in, and it's under a bag, so now it's giving it that treatment that it needs. So you want to leave it to what, 45 minutes or 45 minutes to an hour on there. It depending on how bad your dandruff is. So for me, we're gonna just leave it on there for a cool little minute, come back, unrag, and then get a finish off with your brush session, rag up for the day, rag up for the night. It don't matter, get your session in, and then we're gonna rag up just like so. Because our hair is already fully treated, so it don't need no other products for today. We didn't put enough oil in it for today. There's no way your hair should be dry after this. You know, so while you waiting for your little 45 minutes, feel me, you just go in, do what you gotta do. I'm starting my morning off right, eating some eggs, bacon, pancakes. Feel me, wait till 45 minutes. Right now it's just a waiting game, just chilling. Alright y'all, so now it's time to take everything off. You wanna untie your do-rag. Feel me? Good. H2O in here. Y'all probably don't even know what H2O is. Probably why your hair dry now. Take that off. tie it from the back. Now your hair should be just right. Need nothing else in your hair, man. You can go ahead and get your session in, you know, hard, medium, soft, plastic bag. The real heavy brush session should have been, you know, while the hot oil treatment stuff was in there. That's when y'all should really go in with the brush session. After the fact that you rag up with your, you know, your plastic bag and your actual do-rag, I'm gonna just go in with my you know, my ghetto lay down G. You know, plastic bag serves the same purpose. You feel me? And just lay everything back down and throw my rag on, because I got my hardcore session in while the oil was hot and it can fully get through my whole scalp. Now it's up to y'all if y'all want to get another session in right now, or y'all could just, you know, lay it down and throw your rag on. It's really up to you on which one you want to do. Right now I'm just gonna lay my stuff back down, throw my rag on. Also, another thing when doing this, man, your hair has to be washed. I forgot to tell y'all, my hair was previously washed the day before. Make sure your hair is washed. You can't do this with a dirty scalp. You have to wash your hair in order to do this. I'm pretty sure y'all should know that. Don't do no hot oil treatment on top of products, on top of, don't do that. Man, y'all see the results, man. Clearly my hair is 10 times more healthier, man. I'm telling you, it's gonna be crazy when I cut this woof. And I don't even think I'm gonna go on a major woof. I'm woofing right now, but I don't know. Should I go on a major woof? Should I go on another woof? I don't know. I'm about 4.5 weeks in. I gotta look it up and see what I'm actually at. I might be giving y'all false information right now. I actually might be longer. But right now, pretty much y'all just ragging up. Or y'all should be still brushing right now. Feel me? Y'all can finish y'all session. Y'all can finish y'all session. Or you can just go in with the plastic bag and rag up like I did. It's really up to you. I recommend y'all get that session in. But y'all let me know, man. Y'all want me to go on another major woof? Or should I just cut it short right now? I don't know. I really don't know right now. I'm already woofing right now. So if y'all say it, I'm already halfway through. I don't know. You know, this time we're going to go to a whole new barber, a whole nother barber. Somebody who know what they doing and know how to cut woofs. We're going to just have a better end result. Make sure that thing is tied on there tight. Not too tight though, you don't want to squeeze your brain. But anyway, man, it's been your boy Rico the Waver. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, man, because we finna start dropping on y'all, and y'all gonna start getting all the videos that y'all need, man. And I know this is well needed right now in the wave game for my people out here, for my coarse hair wavers, my medium hair texture, anybody who just got dandruff and feel like your hair is just, even after you wash it, you still got dandruff. Keep doing the hot oil treatments. Even if it don't work the first time, do it again. Keep doing it until I'm telling you, just keep doing the hot oil treatments and your hair is gonna be back better. It might not take one time for you. It may take more than one. So keep, you know, come back to this video if you feel like your dandruff is still there and redo it, man. Keep your hair washed, keep it healthy, and keep the hot oil treatments going. And eventually your dandruff is gonna be gone, man. Y'all already know what it is and what it ain't. Link down in bio. Follow me on Instagram at Rico the Waver. Y'all could DM me any tips. y'all need, I'ma DM y'all back. You feel me? Make sure y'all go hit also another link in the bio to go check out where I get all of my do-rags from. Y'all can get y'all 3 Kings merch do-rag / ricothewaver. Get you % off on anything on the website, man. They go from silkies to velvets to a 3-way mirror for you to cut your hair. We also even got our own brush. Y'all can go brush your hair. I'm telling you, like I said, giveaway at 4,000, man. We close right now. We about 100 away. Get us to 4,000, and we're gonna have a fat giveaway for y'all, man. I'm giving away something large. Last time I gave away 2 brushes and 2 do-rags. Just imagine what I'm going, and that's royalty brushes, man. 2 silky do-rags. Just imagine how it's gonna be this time, man. We back and we better and we going harder, man. That was a 500 subscriber giveaway. Now we're doing a 4,000 subscriber giveaway. Just know the difference, man. It's gonna be going crazy, man. So get us to 4,000. Let's run it up.